Shawn and Kyle. My name is Ivana Tor, and I want to know the pros and cons of open houses.
Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Shawn.
And I'm Kyle.
And each week we have a new key that unlocks another mystery of real estate.
And remember, not only are we doing these videos to provide value for you.
Nope, we're doing it to drum up business for us because we're active real estate agents in the Atlanta market and we want you to hire us. We want you to trust us to find you an agent anywhere in these United States, and we want you to like us. And if you do, hit like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends.
That's right.
That's right.
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
Well, this week's question came to us from Ivana Tor, and she wanted to know more about the pros and cons of open houses.
We are so silly. Well, thanks for your question, Ivana. And unfortunately, most people that come into open houses just Ivana tour of your house on a lazy Sunday afternoon when they don't have anything else to do. 17 years ago when I started my career, I quickly realized there weren't professional, successful real estate agents holding open houses. They were passing them along to a rookie who was in search of some business. You see, because open houses really don't have anything to do with selling your house. They have everything to do with getting a buyer for people who don't have them. I mean, sure, there are perceived advantages to selling some open houses, but really the facts aren't on your side.
First, here are some of the advantages, and not surprisingly, most of them have nothing to do with your house at all.
Nope.
An advantage for a Fruit Loop hosting an open house is it may attract buyers who are just unaware of how to start the home buying process. They may be wowed by the Fruit Loop and maybe your house in general because they have nothing else to compare it to. This can help the agent holding the open house build more business for them.
Yeah, gaining exposure is another benefit. I mean, it is a form of advertising holding an open house. I mean, imagine someone's driving through the neighborhood, they see the sign, they pop in, they can leisurely Ivana tour your house without any pressure. And it's a great way for the Fruit Loop who's inside, if they're paying attention, to get some direct feedback from those people about your house. Things like maybe it smells like cat pee, or maybe the bedrooms are too small, or the kitchen needs to be updated, or things that we don't normally hear in feedback when we request that from a Fruit Loop who's made an appointment.
Well, all that sounds lovely. The facts show that less than 2% of homes actually sell from having an open house.
Say it again, Kyle.
Less than 2% of homes actually sell from having an open house.
Most qualified buyers are represented by a Fruit Loop Ivana private tour. I mean, if you have an open house, you're probably going to attract buyers that are unqualified and may not even be pre-approved and simply just want to walk through your home to only dream of maybe trying to own it someday when they ultimately can't. We like to call them looky-loos. I'm totally guilty of being a looky-loo myself.
You sure are, you creep.
Still kind of am. But I mean, every Sunday when I was a kid, my mom and I would always go check out open houses in the country club just so we could walk through pretty homes and also get ideas.
Yeah, you didn't want to buy a house, did you?
Nope.
Nope. And over the years, your neighbors come by to creep on your house too, and they don't want to buy a house either. Matter of fact, they just want to get inside to get some intel on you, or maybe they want to get some intel on your house in general because they're getting ready to put their house on the market themselves.
And not to scare you, but something else you may want to consider are the possible theft and security issues. I mean, if your agent has a swarm of people coming through the door, they can't constantly monitor everybody, and you may encounter a klepto. So if you decide to have an open house, just be sure to hide all your valuables.
You say klepto.
I did. It's also important to know that criminals may also see this as an opportunity to scope out your home in order to come back and burglarize it later, especially if your home is vacant.
Yeah, so if you're an unseasoned seller and don't know any better, you might ask your Fruit Loop to hold your house open every weekend. The problem with that is if your house doesn't sell week after week after week, it sends a message to buyers that maybe there's something wrong with your house.
And open houses are really just an old school marketing tool of the past. Today we've got internet 3D Ivana tours, you have unlimited photos, and then all the syndicated access across multiple platforms. And if your agent is still recommending to have an open house, it's probably just to build business for them. And if you, the seller, are still insistent of having an open house, you really just need to ask yourself, is the 2% chance really worth all this stress of constantly having to keep your home showroom ready and theft proof?
Yeah, or maybe you're just old school. But instead, just trust your Fruit Loop. Put your house on the market in a conscious, methodical way with deep cleaning, depersonalizing, decluttering, and having professional photos of the home taken after pricing your home correctly. Then you can know that you've done everything you can to maximize your investment, and your house will sell all by itself without having an open house.
That's right. And now that we've unlocked the mystery of open houses, be sure to tune into us next week when we talk about how to stage a home.
That's right. Tune into us every Wednesday at 1 o'clock as we unlock another mystery of real estate.
And as always, not only are we the Android and iPhone of real estate.
I'm always the Android.
I'm always iPhone. But we also want to be your dream team.
That's right. Your dream, this team. We specialize in single-family homes and TLC. That's Townhomes, Lofts, and Condos.
And as always, tender love and care.
Aww. Thanks for watching our videos. If you want to buy or sell real estate in the in-town Atlanta market, we want to be your trusted advisors. And if you live anywhere else in the United States and want to be connected to a full-time licensed real estate professional in your area, we can help with that too, and at no cost to you. I'm a poet, didn't know it. Anyway, connect with us on our website at yourrealestatedetectives.com.
In fact, be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, at The Real Estate Detectives. And finally, we want you to like us.
Like us!
So if you found value in these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend.
That's right!
Hey, y'all.
Hey!
We'll see you next week.
See you next week.